Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest. I am Dharampi from Kolkata and you are watching Pandit Invest YouTube channel. First of all, happy Friendship Day to all of you and hope all of you are safe in COVID period and stay well, keep your health well and fit. Today we will talk about the index Nifty and Bank Nifty and few selective stocks. So friend, this is the monthly chart of Nifty and you can see in last 2 months, June and July, Nifty was trading in its range bound trade almost near 450 points, 15,500 on the lower side and 15,950 on the upside. So in the month of June, it made a doji candle in monthly chart. Similarly, in the month of July, made a doji candle. So these two doji telling that upside is locked if Nifty not able to close above 16,100 levels. If you see the RSI, you can see RSI was enter into overbought zone. So but there is still a space left because in the 2014 it went till 80 and now trading near 73. So 7 point can give 1000 points rally in Nifty if Nifty moves above 16,100 levels. So we can see on the upside 17,100 to 200 points will be a target for Nifty if close above 16,000 levels, and on downside if break or close below 15,500 then we can see 2 to 3,000 point down, that is near 13,000 to 12,800 will be the target of the Nifty in the coming month. With the help of you can see with the help of MACD, if you see the MACD of Nifty in monthly chart, then you can see that MACD has run all time high. If you see the 20 years record, that Nifty has reached all time high. So this also indicating that overbought zone in monthly chart of Nifty. So be cautious in trading while going long only above if close above 16,000 levels for next 2 consecutive days, and short only below if break 15,550 or close below 2 consecutive days, then you can get a good profit either in the downside or in the upside. So this is for the Nifty levels. Similarly, our the Bank Nifty, if you see the Bank Nifty MACD is also alerting that almost reached the higher level, that 2017 levels, and if you see the all time record is also at all time high in MACD. So MACD also indicating a overbought zone of Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty lagging behind from the Nifty because for many banking stock the NPA was rise huge due to COVID-19. The bank which given loan to the customers were not able to get return due to pandemic reason. So this is the huge effect, profitability effect on the banking stock, and that is the reason why Bank Nifty not able to cross the previous high, that is 37,700 in this period. So for the level, if Bank Nifty for coming days, if Bank Nifty is close above 35,200 only, then we can see 36,000 will be the first target, and if close above 36,500 then we can see 37,000 plus. If break below 34,000 levels for 2 consecutive days, then we can see 30,000 levels in Bank Nifty in coming month. So this is the view of the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you can see also the RSI of the Bank Nifty, then it will not clear in RSI because already RSI is not yet overbought zone, but MACD is giving a clear signal that both index are at overbought on monthly chart. So this is the level for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now we will talk about few selective stock. First we will talk about the Tech Mahindra, which has given a huge rally on last trading sessions. Huge gap up was opening due to good result. This is the day chart of the Tech Mahindra, and you can see the last trading session was 11:27, then a huge gap up and closed near about 1210, and you also can see a huge volume was made. So you can accumulate Tech Mahindra on decline if comes near 1170 to 1150 range for a target of 1350 in coming month. So you can also add Tech Mahindra in your portfolio for the next 1 to 2 years. The next stock will be from the sugar stock, because sugar's rally has given a huge rally, and still sugar stock story will be good positive for next 2 to 5 years. So accumulate a good or make a basket of sugar stock for the next 5 years for the huge return. For example, the cheapest stock I am seeing that Renuka Sugar. It is the second largest sugar producer in India, and you can see it went from 10 rupees to 50 rupees. That is almost giving a 500% return in from April to July. That is 3 months. Within 3 months, it will given a 500% return, and you can see more upside in the Renuka Sugar. If cross these 50 levels, then we can see 100 rupees in the next coming month. If you see the with the help of Fibonacci, what will the support? So it has already retraced 38%, 38.2%, and so it is a good time to enter with a stop of 24 rupees for a target of 100 rupees in Renuka Sugar. You can also buy Our Sugar, Andhra Sugar, EID Perry, Bajaj Hindustan, Balrampur Chini, Dhampur Sugar. Dhampur Sugar already given in my YouTube channel Pandit Invest. You can also subscribe YouTube channel, that is free, and given at Dhampur Sugar has given at a level of 200 to buy, and now it's currently trading near 370 rupees. So our next stock will be Tata Steel BSL, and Tata Steel and steel sector is also a good for next 2 to 3 years, and you observe the Tata Steel rally from 280 rupees to 1480 in 1 year. So Bhushan Tata Steel BSL was previously known as Bhushan Steel. Tata Steel acquired Bhushan Steel, and the name change was Tata Steel BSL. So BSL was trading near 45 rupees in the month of March, and it went to 110 within 3 months. It went to double. So a good accumulation was gone, and now going to give a breakout. And if close above 110, we can see 200 rupees in next 6 months in Tata BSL. So buy Tata BSL with a stop of rupees 85, and target will be 200. This all we are talking about a long-term investment for horizon 6 to 1 years or more than 1 years, not for 1 week or 2 week. So this the next stock will be also Nagarjuna Fertilizer. It's also a good stock for long term. It was trading near 5 rupees in the month of April, and went 20 rupees. So you accumulate at this level, and stop will be 13 rupees on closing basis, and target will be 40 rupees in the next 6 to 1 years. So this is the stocks, and talk about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you have any query or regarding stocks, so you can mail me or WhatsApp me, or write after this second comment sections in our YouTube channel. Those who are new, please like this channel. Those who are new subscriber, please subscribe the channels, and so that you can get all update in your email. Thank you for watching it.